Imagine lowering your energy bills while enjoying a steady supply of hot water, all thanks to the power of the sun. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your very own DIY solar water heater. This simple project not only saves you money, but it also helps reduce your environmental impact. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, this guide will make it easy for you to get started. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's review the essential materials and tools you'll need for this project. Solar collector panel or black painted piping for absorbing sunlight. Water storage tank to hold the heated water. Plywood or mounting board to support the collector. Transparent cover, glass or polycarbonate to trap heat via the greenhouse effect. Insulation material to minimize heat loss. Tubing and fittings to connect the collector to the tank. Pump, optional, for circulating water in a closed-loop system. Basic tools: drill, saw, silicone sealant, multimeter. Safety gear, gloves, safety glasses, and a mask if needed. Start by sketching a simple layout. Plan where the solar collector will be mounted, where to place your storage tank, and how the tubing will connect both. Ensure the collector is angled toward the sun, typically 30 to 45 degrees, for optimal heat absorption. If using a pre-made collector, follow the manufacturer's instructions. For a DIY collector, paint copper or PVC pipes matte black to maximize heat absorption. Arrange the piping on your plywood or mounting board, then cover it with a transparent material to create a greenhouse effect. Next, place your water storage tank near the collector. Connect the tank to the collector with tubing and fittings. If you're using a pump in a closed-loop system, install it now to circulate the water. Ensure all connections are sealed with silicone for watertight results. If your system includes a pump or other electrical components, test all wiring connections with a multimeter. Follow local codes to ensure safety and efficiency. Once assembled, test your solar water heater by checking the temperature difference between the collector's inlet and outlet. Adjust the angle or insulation as needed for better performance. Regularly inspect for leaks or loose connections. And there you have it! You've built your very own DIY solar water heater, designed to save you money and reduce your energy usage. This project is a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of more DIY renewable energy projects. Share your questions and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, every drop of solar heated water is a step towards a brighter tomorrow.